Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how you can install Rclone Browser, and using Rclone Browser you can sync your Google Drive in the latest Ubuntu operating system, that is 23.10. So first we will be downloading the files. We will go to rclone.org and we will have to open Google Chrome or whatever browser you have. I have Firefox, so I will download it from Rclone.org using Firefox. So I'll give you guys this link in the description. When we go to this website, there will be a table you will find. So since we are using the Linux operating system and it is a 64-bit one, we will download this file. So click on this and this file will be downloaded. Okay, and now we will also download Rclone Browser at the same time. And click on the first link, it will take you to this website. Click on View on GitHub and click on the latest version. Scroll down, and here we will download this file, that is x86_64.app image. Simply click on it, and even this file will be saved in your download folder. So we are done with the downloading part. We will close the browser and we will open Files and we'll go to our download folder. So here we have these two files which we have just downloaded. So right click on the first file and simply extract it. So after extracting the zip file, we got this folder. Now simply in the terminal window type cd space and just drag the folder to the terminal window and press enter. Now open that folder and we have this file here in that folder, and we will have to make it executable. So we will have to type another command. So in the terminal window, type sudo space chmod space +x and that file name, that is Rclone, Rclone, and press enter. It will ask you for the password, so type your password and press enter. Now we have made this file executable. Now we will configure it. So type /rclone config and press enter. It says no remote found, make a new one. So press N to make a new one and then press enter. Enter the name for remote. You can give it any name. I will give I will name it G drive and press enter. Now there will be a long list. From that list, select the type of drive you want to configure. Since we are going to configure Google Drive, so we'll type number 18 and press enter. it is asking for client ID. You can simply press enter on it. You can again press enter without typing anything. Now here we will type number 1 to give it a full access and press enter. We can press enter once again without typing anything. And since we are going to do a default configuration, let's type N here and press enter. Now press Y for default and press enter. Okay, great. Now it will open up your browser and will ask you to log into your Google Drive. So type your Gmail email address where you have the Google Drive. Click next. Type your password. And click next. Click on allow. And it says all done. Please go back to Rclone. I will close the browser. We will type N here and press enter because we don't want a team drive. Press Y over here and then press enter. And now press Q to quit and press enter. We can close the terminal window now and we'll go to the download folder again. Now we will run the Rclone browser which we have downloaded earlier. So we'll right click on it and go to properties and just turn this option on because it is an executable program, and close this. Now double click it and it will open up Rclone browser. So as we don't see anything over here, we'll click on file and then click on preferences. But there is one thing I want to show you before we proceed further. If for some reason this Rclone browser is not executing even after right clicking and going to property and enabling this option, if you double click and this Rclone browser window does not open, you will have to open terminal window, and in terminal window you will have to type a command that is sudo apt install libfuse2. So you will have to install libfuse2 because that is one of the file which is required by app images, and just press enter. Type your password and press enter again. Okay, now you can close the terminal window. Now if you double click it, it will open up the Rclone browser for sure. Now we can close this from here and we'll configure the Rclone browser. In order to do that, click on file, then click on preferences. So we will have to give Rclone location. Okay, first let me show you the location of your Rclone folder. Click on files and on the home folder location, if you press Ctrl H, it will show you all of the files which were hidden before pressing Ctrl H. So we'll go to .config, and here you will find Rclone folder, and we will double click on Rclone folder, and we will get the location of our Rclone .conf file. So you can either copy this location from the top and simply paste it here. Now simply type a / and type the name of this file. You can type rclone .conf. Okay, so this part is done. Okay, now we will give the location to Rclone in the first line, and we'll go to our download folder, and that was the zip we had downloaded and extracted. So this is the file, and we can copy the location from the top. And paste over here / Rclone. So our second part is also done. Okay, now we will give it a default download folder location. So I will just copy it from here, and we will make it the download folder only. So it will download everything in the download folder only. Click OK, and as soon as you click OK, you will see the Google Drive. Let me close this and double click it. I'll just open my Google Drive. So these many files are there, but right now it is showing only this folder, which has nothing in it. Let me create a new folder here and name it test. Okay, a new folder is created. Let me try to refresh it. Okay, so we see the new folder, and we have successfully installed our Rclone browser, and we are able to sync our drive. So we can play with the setting to configure this Rclone browser the way you want. Okay, what we will do, we will go to the preferences once again, and in download folder we will create a new folder. We will name it Google Drive, and we'll create. Now what we will do, we will change the We'll keep the location same, and instead of directly into the download folder, we will download the files from Google Drive to this folder. So we'll open it, select the location, and we will paste the location here. So that becomes the default download location if we are downloading anything from Google Drive. We'll click on OK. And I will close this. So if I want to download what files are there on my Google Drive, we'll click on the option download. Make sure you have copy selected, and simply click on run, and make sure you see the location where we are going to get the files. So that is our default destination. Click on run, and now if you open your download folder and go to Google Drive, you will see the files which are there in your Google Drive. I'll just show you. Open a browser, log in your Google Drive, so these are the files. Some are just copies of those files. So that is the reason you see more file on Google Drive and less file here. So that's how you can download the file. I'll just delete them from here. Now we will again go to our Rclone browser, and we'll click on mount. And the folder which we have created, that is Google Drive, we'll choose that folder. We'll select that folder and click on choose. So now you will see our Google Drive folder at the left hand side, because we have mounted our Google Drive on our computer. Okay, so that's how you can mount your Google Drive on your computer. It will show all your files which are there on your Google Drive on your computer. You can also delete your files from your Google Drive if you simply, this is the folder which we had created. We'll right click on it and we'll click on delete. Click yes. Refresh the drive. Okay, that folder is gone now. We have only this folder remaining, which was there earlier. So that's it in this video. You can just play with the settings. You will get an idea how to use this Rclone browser. And I'll just close this. So that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. You have a great day. Bye bye.